I got an '06 Cadillac CTS. I'm going to show you how to remove this third brake light license plate bezel. First thing you're going to do is remove this panel right here. There's just some retaining clips you need to remove in order for it to come off. After that, you're going to get a 10mm socket and remove 8 bolts, and they're pretty easy to remove. After you remove those, though, you're going to want to disconnect the cable for the power to the lights. The easiest way to disconnect this connector is just to get a flathead screwdriver, use that to pry the tab open, and then you can just unhook it pretty easily. So I'm going to do it right here. You're going to pull it out first, lift that tab up a little bit, pull it out, and you're good to go. Just be careful that you don't break that tab. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.